Hi, we're here today at Extreme Metal Products, also known as EMP in Cleveland, Ohio. Today we're working on a Honda Pioneer 500. New product line we have coming out for pretty much all the side-by-sides. What this is, it's a removable radiator screen. It snugs tight up against your radiator, allows you to remove it, wash it, get the dirt out, get the, I call it the seed from the fields, drive through the field. Not a new idea, been around it for tractors for quite a few years. Anyway, you can either remove the bumper, makes it a little easier. You can get it in there without removing it. So what you do is just put this up in there. We've removed this. I'll zoom in here real quick. I'll show you the bottom holes. There's factory type fasteners in there. 1, 2. Trouble there on the lie, but 2. Then we're going to put this back up in there. I think I'm going to put it back up in there. You know what? It helps if we go the right way with it, right? No, that was the right way. Yeah. Like that. That clips to the bottom holes here. Just like this. Get back in. 2 more fasteners. All you do is slip it in the side hole right there. Then we do the same on this side. Different side hole. Push those in, just like that. And then you're ready to roll. And then all you do is slide the screen in, top, down like that. If you want to remove it, all you have to do is a little tricky. Watch and make sure you don't do it hot, but you slide it up like this. Take this down to a creek, rinse it off, hose, whatever. Put it right back in if you like. Very simple. Started. And that's from Extreme Metal Products in Cleveland, Ohio. Thank you.